Welcome to our channel. If you want to check the status of your Delta flight quickly and easily using the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions to stay informed about your travel plans. Step 1. Download the Delta app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you have not already installed it. Step 2. Open the Delta app and log in with your SkyMiles account, or tap Continue as Guest to proceed without logging in. Step 3. On the app's home screen, tap My Trips to see your upcoming flights if you have booked them through your account. Step 4. If you want to check the status of any Delta flight, tap Flight Status on the home screen. Step 5. Enter the flight number or the departure and arrival cities, then select the travel date. Step 6. Tap Search to retrieve real-time information about the flight. Step 7. Review the flight details, including gate number, departure and arrival times, and any delays or cancellations. Step 8. Enable push notifications in the app to receive automatic updates about your flight status. The Delta app will alert you of any changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.